Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make your group settings, how you can control your group settings on your device. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the group, and after opening the group, as you can see, has a three dot option. We have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the group setting. So we have to click on the group setting, and after clicking on the group settings, as you can see, if you want to make it off the disappearing messages, you can also do that. The chat color is also provided here. If you want to change the chat color, you can also do that. Now I'm going to back again, and after that, as you can see, you can also control the notification setting. If you want to add a member after a creation of your group, you can also add that. If you want to share this group link, if you want to request to invite, if you want to add the permissions in your group, you can also do that. So in this way, you can control your group settings on the Signal desktop version. If you want to leave or delete group, you can also do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. See you guys in the next video.